friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm here to share another recipe with you. It's called the macaroni salad, and lots of time people just say macaroni as well. So the beauty of this recipe is I'm going to show you how to make a vegan macaroni salad. So let's have a look at the ingredients first. You need pasta. You can take any type you like, shells or elbows. I'm taking elbows, and I have about 3 to 4 cups of elbow pasta here. So we need to boil it, and I'm going to get to that after. I have 2 basil leaves. I have half a cup of tomatoes, yellow peppers, and sweet peppers, the red ones, and then I have green peppers, cucumbers. You can add more or less based on your needs. It depends how many veggies you want in there. I have half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Again, based on your needs, you can increase or decrease. And I'm going to use Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise for our salad. So it looks like this, and I bought it from Walmart, but it's available at another stores as well, so you can take it. So it's an eggless product. So once it starts boiling, then you can add your pasta or the elbows, or the depends what type of pasta you want to use for it. So now we are going to boil it, and unless it's tender. So once you will see your elbows are tender, then I'm going to drain the water out. So it's going to take about 10 minutes. So now our pasta is ready. You can see how the color is changed as well. So our elbows are ready to go now. So I'm going to turn off the stove, and I'm going to strain the water out of this pasta. So now our pasta is ready, and I'm going to strain the water out. Now we're going to rinse it with the cold water, so they're not going to stick to each other. And now we're going to take all water out of this. If you want, you can leave it on the side for 2 minutes. So I'm going to let it sit for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now our boiled pasta is ready. And make sure you rinse it with the cold water so they're not going to stick to each other. And another thing is, make sure your vegetables are chopped. And I would say the size of the vegetable, it all depends on the type of pasta you're taking or the macaroni you're picking for your macaroni salad. So based on that, so it can look kind of the same size. So first I'm going to take the pasta in a bowl, and I'm going to transfer it here. And now I'm going to give a good stir to make sure they're not sticking to each other, so no clumps are there. So now we are going to add the vegetables, and basil leaves also I cut into small pieces. So now we're going to add each and every, or whatever you can add the vegetables that you like the most, and we're going to mix it all together well. Now I'm going to give a good stir so all the vegetables are mixed evenly with our elbow pasta. So now I'm going to add the salt and black pepper. I'm going to give another stir. You can add parsley if you don't like basil leaves. You can add parsley as well. It all depends, just for flavor. So now it's all mixed up. So now we are going to add our vegan mayonnaise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 and 2 serving spoons, and I will mix it well. And if I feel like I need more, and then we can add more. Because sometimes people, they really like it like in a creamy form, and some of them, they just like it kind of just wrapped the pasta and the vegetables well in the cream. So it all depends. You can use based on your interest in needs. So I guess it wasn't fully full 2 spoons, like it was kind of for 3/4 of it, and it's enough for the 3 to 4 pasta cups. So now our vegan macaroni salad is ready, and now you don't need to worry about any kind of eggs in there or any kind of animal products in there. So this is all about our vegan macaroni salad for today, and I hope you will try it, and please give us a thumbs up if you liked our recipe, and try to share with as many as friends possible. And I would say subscribe our channel, because every Thursday we are posting a new cooking recipe, so you're not going to miss any, so it's better to subscribe. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. If you do have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comment section, and I will leave the quantity of the ingredients in the description box as well. Thank you so much. Bye for now.